created the Valentine special cooking book. I want to say you can brought it for someone who you love. You know what I mean? If you buy a nice lovely package or something, you can simply buy a book off of Amazon and drop it straight inside of the package and make sure they get something lovely for Valentine to make some special dishes. As you can see, very nice lovely dishes inside of the lovely Caribbean cooking book. We sell roughly about 5,000 copies worldwide so far. The book is going on really good. If you didn't get your copy, you can get it. Chef Ricardo Caribbean Cuisine cooking book, really nice and beautiful, guys. As you can see, got the back of Dunn's River, and the book was dedicated for my beautiful daughter, and I love her to my heart. So guys, hopefully we get a copy for yourself. Tell someone about Chef Ricardo Caribbean Cuisine cooking book. Wonderful and fantastic. As you can see, Caribbean Cuisine cooking book included a mixture of cooking, traditional flavors, spices, ingredients, and the ingredients for people from the Caribbean islands. The Caribbean cooking is strong in fantastic flavor, spices, Black African, Indian, Chinese, and all of these people. So guys, you need to get the book for you, the full story of this wonderful Caribbean Cuisine cooking book. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. We have a lot of more recipe coming up for you, and we always give you your favorite dishes, your favorite food, and we love you. So see you next time. And this is Valentine special cooking book. See you next time. Bye bye.